Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, introduce us from group 1. I'm Naina Aika Arifudin
and I'm Zakia.
So in this video we will explain about the modern technological tool related to industrial process. This assessment is the final assessment of the English course taught by Miss Royanti.
So pray for us guys, hopefully our grades are satisfactory. Okay, don't took too long, come on let's get right to the explanation.
In the ever-growing digital era, there is a technological tool, namely 3D printing, which has emerged as one of the leading innovations that is changing the way various industries operate. From manufacturing to healthcare, automotive, innovation, fashion, and construction, 3D printing offers faster, more efficient, and flexible solution for a variety of production needs.
Actually, what is 3D printing and what is its relationship to the industrial world? Sort of very time-consuming process here, the printer stacks material layer by layer based on digital instructions from the software until the designed object is formed. Uniquely, this technology allows the creation of complex design with very accurate precision. This accuracy is something that is often difficult or even impossible to achieve through traditional manufacturing methods. The ability to print everything, from everyday tools to special electronic components, makes 3D printing a revolution in the industrial world for creating things and innovating.
So, how does the 3D printing tool work? The 3D printing process takes place in several steps. Let's go into the explanation.
The first is to create a design first. By using 3D design software such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, or Blender, designers will turn this into a three-dimensional digital model. This model must take into account the geometric details of the object such as dimension, shapes, and other features required for the final product.
The second is preparing the design files. After the 3D model has been created, the next step is etching, which is the process of dividing the three-dimensional digital model into thousands of even millions of thin horizontal layers. This step is performed using special finishing software that also converts the 3D model into a file that can be read by the 3D printer. Usually, as JPEG format, this software will allow users to make adjustments to print settings such as layer thickness, print speed, and material temperature, all of which have a major impact on the final quality of the printed object.
The third is a material selection. The material used in 3D printing vary greatly, depending on the type of printer and the final destination of the printed object. These material choice include plastics such as ABS or PLA for general purpose, resin for design with high detail and requiring dimensional accuracy, to metal for industrial application that require strength and durability. Each material has specific characteristics that affect the aesthetic, strength, and flexibility of the final printed object.
The fourth is the 3D printing process. The printer will then begin to gradually melt the materials and stack it layer by layer. Each of these layers corresponds to a horizontal slice of the digital model, gradually building the object from the bottom up. This process requires precision and precise organization whether each layer will produce an accurate final object.
And the last one is post-production. Once the object has been printed, further steps are often required to achieve the desired final result. These steps might include cleaning to remove baking material, smoothing the surface through sanding, or the use of chemical solution, and sometimes painting or other surface finishing. This post-production stage not only improves the aesthetic of the object but can also increase its durability.
So, that was an explanation of the process or how 3D printing works. 3D printing provides great flexibility in the production of products in small and large quantities. 3D printing enables rapid change in production lines and speed up the product development process. While very effective for initial production, 3D printing technology continues to evolve and has the potential to become more relevant in large-scale manufacturing in the future. Okay guys, that was an explanation about 3D printing, which is a modern technological tool related to the industrial world. Hopefully, what we convey can be understood. That's all from us. For all this, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah!
Behind the scene.
Aku ada action lo dan dari tadi dan ketawa.
For all this, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum.
Aku pun